Have you ever felt like you're living the same day over and over again? You wake up, scroll through your phone, go to school or work, and nothing changes. Every day feels the same, and nothing ever seems to change. You see people winning, improving, growing, and you wonder, what am I doing wrong? The truth is, you're stuck in a loop, not because you're lazy, but because your brain loves comfort. You keep asking yourself why you can't break free. Every time you say, I'll start tomorrow, your brain wins and your goals lose. It's not about motivation, it's about breaking the cycle. But what if you started small? Just 5 minutes a day. Read one page, do push-up, study for 5 minutes. Do this for a week, and you build a streak. Momentum, identity, confidence. Each small win builds something bigger. Tiny actions create big shifts. You're no longer stuck. You're rising. You're finally moving forward. And then you inspire others. Because people don't follow words. They follow change. Like, subscribe and share this video with someone who needs it. Your journey starts now.